No. Sorry.
Mesdames, Messieurs, c'était les 21 coups de canon intervenus juste après le discours officiel d'inauguration de son Excellence Monsieur le Président de l'Éducation et chef de l'État, livré par son Excellence Monsieur le Premier ministre et chef du gouvernement. Depuis leur retranchement, les forces du mal ont commencé à plier bagage après avoir entendu les 7 fois 3 coups de canon, les 21 coups de canon. Merci d'ovationner pour nos forces combattantes qui sont engagées au front. Elda, pour la synthèse du discours officiel.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just heard the 21 cannon shots, which followed the official inaugural address of His Excellency, the President of Faso Head of State, delivered by His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Chief of Government. He declared that the enemies are crawling definitely to defeat, and he has to all the audience to give a standing ovation to the National Forces of Defense. He stated on behalf of His Excellency, the President of Faso Head of State, that this day of May the 17th, 2025, history reminds us all that 42 years ago, the same day, in 1983, imperialist and neo-colonialist forces orchestrated the arrest of Comrade Captain Thomas Sankara, then Prime Minister. Then, in these days that followed, young anti-imperialist fighters mobilized to say no to this criminal act. The seeds of the People's Democratic Revolution had thus been sown. 2 weeks later, Captain Thomas Sankara was released under popular pressure, and 3 months later, from this cartel, soil nourished by the people's profound